That is how to make British pancakes. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are doing a British classic. We are making British pancakes. Pancake Day coming up. It's Shrove Tuesday. We are making British pancakes. Now obviously pancakes have been adopted around the world, especially Australia, Canada, any of the countries that were part of the Commonwealth or are. And it's a time-old tradition. Now, they say Pancake Day came around from using up the rich ingredients prior to the 40 days of Lent. Now, that's what they say, and that's what I believe. It originated in Onley in England in about 1445. That's one of the earliest records of Pancake Day. And a pancake race was created from that day. A lady rushing to church, still cooking a pancake. She was running to the church service, and that's what started the pancake race day. Anyway, we're digressing. I'll put all the history in the description as usual. So we need to crack on and make our pancakes. They are so easy. We all grew up making them as kids. It's a straightforward recipe. In here, I've got some flour. I'm going in with some salt. I'm just going to give that a little stir up. I've got 2 eggs. In they go. Now I'm only making a small amount here. I'll leave it up to you to make a larger amount if you so wish. Just give those eggs a little beating round in there. Bring some of that flour in. And then we're going in there with our milk. Now, as per everything, with most of my work, I don't wait to put a bit in, a bit in, a bit in. The thing with making a batter like this, you've just got to stir it all in there, incorporate it up as best you can, lump free. And then it rests for 20 minutes. So all these people that sieve the batter and everything, there's actually no need to sieve the batter. It makes not a blind bit of difference. So we just give that a stir in there. Give it a good frothing up. We leave it for 20 minutes. The flour absorbs the fluid. That gives us a nice tender pancake. Okay, this is melted butter. I've just had it stood in a little tub of hot water to melt it. And we stir that in. I don't think there's any lumps in there. We're going to leave that. Now, we let that stand for 20 minutes. That's the secret to making this batter, actually. You have to let it stand. The flour in there, even though we've mixed it all in, is going to absorb that fluid to make a nice tender pancake. So in 20 minutes, we can use this. Okay, it's time to cook. Now, I've got a pan which is probably too wide for the pancakes, but we're going to make them anyway. In our pan, a little bit of butter. So we'll give that a little twirl round. Now for this, flame not too high, mediumish flame, you know. Now normally the first pancake is always rubbish. Always. So we want to be going in there with a little bit of our pancake mix, and we want to just twirl it round nice and gentle so we get a roundish pancake. Now it does not matter if it's not fully round. No one's bothered. All we're doing is giving it a little bit of a cooking on there. And what you do is you give it a shake. And if it moves in the pan, it means that you can flip the pancake. So that is moving, look. It's not moving that much though, I must admit. Slide your pancake to the end. Now, like I say, the first one is always the worst one. One done. Now you can keep smearing batter around if you so wish. That is up to you. Just swirl your pancake round the pan. Just let it set up. Of course, if you're not confident enough to actually flip it over, get a slice and just turn it. Don't worry about it. You just run your slice around there. These look very light actually. They look like crepes. So as soon as your pancake can move in the pan, you need to flip it over. So it's nice and steady on this. There's absolutely no panic. Just flip them over, give them a couple of minutes, either side, a little bit of browning on, and then we're going to take them out. It's really easy to make British pancakes. Just a little bit of butter this time, loosen up that pan. And then in with some more of our batter. Little swirl round. I'll just do it on the cooker here instead of twisting it all over. And just try and fill in the gaps if you can when you're making. And that's it. It's really nice and steady. For a demo, if you get stuck and you can't flip it, straight under, straight over. Don't panic about it, just flip it over. So another way of actually flipping these, if you don't have a slice to flip them, take the pancake right to the end of the pan and just turn it over. It's as easy as that. Don't panic about it. You can flip it any which way you can, whether you chuck it up, turn it with a slice. If you don't have a slice, you can still flip it, just turn it over. Make sure the pancake goes over the edge of the pan, and then you've got a lip to turn over. It's nice and straightforward. So again, to the end of the pan, and just turn it over. Don't panic about anything. It's very straightforward, easy cooking. Okay, that's flame off. That's nice and straightforward. And we're going to put that on our plate. That's job done. That's the pancakes made. An easy, quick recipe to make traditional British pancakes. All we got to do now is serve them up. Okay, to serve these up, the traditional servings of a pancake is normally golden syrup, lemon juice, sugar, and you can have a savoury inside if you so wish. However, the traditional way is normally lemon juice and sugar. Golden syrup, entirely up to you. Around the world, maple syrup, whatever. Okay, so let's put a couple on here and serve it up. Now, you would put a little bit of sugar in there. Not much. Now, you could put your lemon juice in there, or you could dribble the lemon juice over. We're just going to put a little bit inside. And then we're going to roll it. Nice, steady roll. We need to be doing that with a couple. Bit of sugar, bit of lemon juice, bit of a roll. Nice slice of lemon, and then we're going to drizzle over some golden syrup. And that is our British pancakes made. All we got to do now is get stuck in. The favourite bit of the show, in there. Oh, fantastic. And if you like it a little bit more sour, over there with a little bit more lemon. Oh, let's come in here. That is how to make British pancakes. If you like what we're doing, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.